So we are back with another video. So we are doing Pokemon Celebrations. We've been waiting for this product. So we're gonna get right to it.
Fresh out the oven.
Fresh out the oven. I'm sure there's gonna be a dozen videos of this, but who cares? We want to open it up. We want to try to get our big hits.
Oh man, fam.
Man, this is our first time looking at this.
We want that 25th anniversary Charizard.
Yes.
What is that? That's considered what? The base or?
Yo.
It's the base Charizard.
White
Reprint
Battle Styles?
So they come as 14 packs.
Vivid?
So, yes. Yeah.
Oh, I was like, what?
You
What?
get chances. You get more chances.
Oh man, I'm liking it already. Imagine I pull that big boy Pikachu in that Vivid.
Oh my god.
Oh man, that'll be insane. Oh, look how cute this is.
Each pack comes with 4 cards.
Oh, just 4 cards. So we're
only.
doing like a basketball optic and chrome and all that stuff. That's what we're doing now. Okay, I
how
see.
you want to do it, fam? You want to save the celebrations?
Yes.
Or you want to open the other ones right after?
We gotta do the celebrations first, and then we're gonna do
Celebrations first?
Chillin' Rain. Boo.
Voltage.
Vivid Voltage. Say that for last.
Battle Styles.
Battle Styles. This is kind of folded. I don't know what's going on there.
Darkness Ablaze.
Darkness Ablaze.
Oh,
Too.
five?
Yeah,
Different
five
packs?
different
2
packs.
Darkness Ablaze? I think that's an error.
That might be an error, kid.
That's an error. You got an error box, son.
All right, so we're gonna start.
You got an extra pack.
So we're gonna start with this because
Yeah,
you
you got an extra pack.
All right, let's start with this.
Oh my gosh, man. I can get to this.
Ah, green card. Boo.
We skip.
Boo.
Go
Green
right to the
card.
hits.
1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2.
5, 6.
Alright. So far.
Whoa.
And
Yeah.
one more.
So that's a big nada burger. All right, so now we're gonna do battle styles.
Yes.
Okay, battle styles is next. This is, we could get a Charizard in here too, right?
Tyranitar Battle Styles.
Okay, gotcha.
Alternate art.
Alternate art, all right.
And then,
Oh,
white card.
White card.
And then some of the
1,
VMAXs.
2,
like the
3,
Urshifu.
4, 5, 6. Let's just go right to it. I felt something nice though. I felt a little shiny on there.
Alright, Weeping Bell. Weeping Bell. What do you get?
Oh, all right. We'll take that. Yeah, we could bag and tag this one, right? All right. He doesn't have it. All right, so now we're gonna go to Darkness Ablaze.
Charizard's in here.
Oh yes, we pulled the Charizard in an earlier video of this,
Yes.
right? Yeah, so check
pulled-
that video out.
What is it, white? Is it
It's
white
no,
or
it's
green?
not. It's not. It's green. Boo, 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 boo.
So this is the first set that had the Charizard VMAX.
1, 2. Okay, so it was a green card, so we're really not getting anything.
Alright, and Granbull.
Okay, so these are the rares. We'll just put those here to the side. All right, so we got one more Darkness Ablaze. And then we're gonna go to my favorite, Vivid Voltage. Whoa, white
but
card.
That's dinged up white.
That was me. I did
Oh,
that.
that was you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 1. Oh, I feel something nice
1,
there. I feel something nice there.
Glamour?
Dude. Oh, it's still
man.
pretty good though. Still
Toughest.
pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so let's bag and tag that.
Galarian stuff.
All right, so now Vivid
Let's
Voltage.
see.
Vivid Voltage.
Chubby Pikachu.
Chubby Pikachu.
White or green?
So that's pretty cool that it comes. Oh, let's go.
Let me get that.
4,
That.
1. Oh boy.
That beginning.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. There's something here, dude.
Yeah.
There's something here.
What is it?
Oh!
Oh, man. You got to pull out Trader Rainbow Secret Rare, fam.
Dude.
It's still a good hit. It's still a good hit.
Wow.
Yeah, that's on your face.
Dude, if it was the Pikachu, you would have been nuts.
Wow.
All right, so let's go. Celebrations,
Wow,
first
hit,
pack.
man.
4 game cards in a pack.
This is the big Buller's first
They
Pokemon ETB, boy. Come on.
The big
Hit.
booler,
What was the third card?
the big booler, son. So it's the third card. I'm just gonna open them. I'm just gonna go
Yeah,
through
just
them.
go through them regularly. There's only 4
All
cards.
my heart's racing right now. Oh,
It's all white. They're all
Oh,
white.
they're all white. They're all white. Okay, they're all white. All right, so let's go. Wow, look how nice that is.
Kyogre.
These are all gonna be nice, huh?
Yveltal.
Okay. Oh,
okay,
Mew.
okay.
That's like a shiny Mew, right?
No. That's not the Mew we're after, but that's a good that's a good Mew to
Okay,
have.
so are we gonna bag and tag this or just
I'll
gonna leave
leave
it?
it to the
Okay.
side.
Oh man, son, shut you down right there, kid.
Sorry, I did the price check. I had to look, see what they're sitting at right now.
Oh, it's so early in the game right now, so.
Yeah.
So let's see.
White code card.
All right, so just
Yeah,
turn it
okay.
over, son.
Palkia.
All right.
Reshiram.
Okay.
Oh! Zapdos!
Dude.
Wow, who's behind that? Who's behind that? All right.
Oh,
All right,
nice.
Give me
So
that
this-
Zapdos.
Let's go.
So we're not gonna get full art cards here.
So look, these cards.
Uh-huh.
This is old school.
Right.
This is an old school card. This is Gym Heroes. Not Gym Heroes. This is Gym Leaders.
Okay.
So the whole card has that nice like fingerprint feel,
Oh,
like
sweet.
that design on it.
Oh man.
Like ridges and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. And it's the old school card.
But are we gonna get full art cards in this too?
Yes.
Okay. So okay, we got like multiples of this.
Yalva,
Ooh, that's nice.
Xerneas, Cosmog. Okay.
Okay.
And
Oh, I'm not.
another
Yeah. Okay, so that was like almost a repeat pack. It's a little annoying to open because it's only 4 cards. I don't want to like bend any of the cards.
Oh, be careful.
Very careful.
Be very careful. The full art cards is Professor Oak and a Golden Mew. There's a couple other full art. I just can't remember. You could check.
Isn't there a Charizard?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Ooh, that's not.
That's Lugia.
Oh yeah.
That's a legendary bird.
Oh!
Groudon.
Nice, Groudon.
Char, please be in the back.
No, you're gonna get 1 hit per card per pack, right?
So the big hit is the third card.
Team Magma. 2004. This is a 2004 set.
Dude. All right. So this was a low print run card, like set. So you should be able to get every card. That's probably why we've seen so many doubles so fast.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Is that Grom?
Dude.
Oh, Flying Pikachu.
Flying
Okay,
Pika.
Okay.
That's nice. This is the rare one?
Oh, no,
just
Pikachu.
this one? Okay.
It's Flying Pikachu and Surfing Pikachu. And then the VMAX versions of these cards, which are full art. See, you get that old school Chunkachu too.
There we go. Oh.
Alright, Reshiram. Palkia.
Oh, let's go!
Look at that classic. Hold on, it ain't over yet.
Char, it's just you.
Dude, 2 rares in a pack.
Let's go!
What's going on here?
Oh my god, all I need is that Char, man. I'm happy.
Oh my god. You got Venusaur, fan.
Got one of the 3 OGs.
Got one of the 3 big threes.
Alright, let's go.
We got Ho-Oh. Alright, we got Kyogre. Alright, another Yveltal. And another Mew. Alright,
Okay.
that's a repeat pack.
That is. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go,
Oh
baby.
man, Yveltal. Cosmog. Groudon. And a Solgaleo.
That one's the first time I see this one.
Yeah.
Well,
He's on the box.
But is there a rare? Which one's a rare card in this pack, or is it not guaranteed a rare in each pack?
I mean, they're all considered rares.
Okay, gotcha. This is interesting. Celebrations. All Hollows. All right, let's go.
Yveltal, Cosmog. Another Zekrom. Oh, who's behind that? All right.
Oh,
Zaxxon
nice.
V. All right.
I will take that. Take that. Last pack magic. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what we can get. There we go. Let's turn them around. Last pack magic.
Groudon.
Oh!
You got Rayquaza yet! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
Dude.
Let's go.
That's one of the hardest cards to get.
This one?
This one?
Yes.
This
no,
one?
No, the Rayquaza.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Dude.
Mega Rayquaza.
Thank God we opened my box first. Holy cow. Damn.
Oh my god, look at that.
That is
Blessings.
awesome,
Look at that.
dude.
Hula.
That is awesome. That is awesome.
Juju, baby.
Hit that like for that hit, man. Hit that like. Hit the subscribe. Let us know what you think of this set. I mean, this really is really cool. It really is. You know, I wasn't really feeling the 4 cards per pack, but wow, look at this. That is amazing. Look at these 2 cards.
That's crazy.
Awesome.
Only one Pikachu in this box?
No.
I mean, like one of these Pikachus. One of those Pikachus.
So these are the hits that we got. Besides those 2 monster hits.
A flying Pikachu V.
Oh yeah,
And the
yeah.
V man.
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. So hit that like,
Ooh, the
hit that
Venusaur.
subscribe. We would really appreciate it, and we will catch you at the next one.